Stop wasting money on expensive design tools. These 3 free AI tools can create perfect posters in minutes. Starting at number 3 is Google Gemini, a simple and beginner-friendly tool. Just open it, switch to the Create Image option, set the version to Pro, and write a detailed prompt describing your poster. After submitting, the AI quickly generates your design, ready to download and use. At number 2 is Leonardo AI, which offers more control and flexibility. After clicking on Start Now, you can adjust the ratio to match your poster format, write a detailed prompt, and even upload a reference image for better results. Once submitted, the AI creates high-quality poster designs that you can download instantly. Taking the number 1 spot is Ideogram, and for good reason. It allows you to set your preferred ratio, write detailed prompts, and even add reference images for more accuracy. What makes it stand out is its ability to generate 4 different poster variations at once, saving time while giving you more creative options. Simply choose the best design and download it with one click. These tools make poster creation fast, powerful, and completely free. No design skills needed.